49. Sorry, I've got a new program here and I'm used to having to wait several seconds. So if I was sitting there going, that was me, sorry. Question 49. 4 of these shapes have the same perimeter. Which one has a different perimeter? Now, what does perimeter mean? Perimeter, peri, means all the way around. So periscope is the thing that on a submarine looks up and looks all the way around. I can't think of any other peris at the moment, but they do exist. And then meter is measure. So it's the measure all the way round. So we want, let's have 4 of these shapes have the same perimeter. Which one has a different one? So we need to make sure it's the different one. So 3 and 3 and 2 is 3 and 3 is 6. So that one's 8. This is an octagon. So that if that's 1, that's 1, that's 1, that's 1. They're all ones. So 8 times 1 is 8. Yes, you're absolutely right. We need to write in centimetres. 2, 4, 6, 8 centimetres. Let's have a look at this. 2.5. And this is a parallelogram. So that's 2.5. This is 2.5. So 2.5 and 2.5 is 5. If this is 1.5, this is 1.5. 1.5 and 1.5 is 3. Good. So, and 5 plus 3 is 8 centimetres. And of course, I would put in a different unit on one, wouldn't you? Just to see. And then this one, 3, 3, 3 is 9 centimetres. So that is ease the odd one out. That was surprisingly easy for one of the end ones, wasn't it? And that's the funny thing. Sometimes an easy one gets chucked in for reasons that we can never quite tell.